been pregnant approximately 3 inches, approximately 3 years, 7 months. 7 years, had my tubes tied. I was extremely shocked. I'm still in shock. My breasts are tender. My breasts smelly super bad. 1,000% certain that I am pregnant. 1,000% I am pregnant. I think I'm carrying 6 inches. The movement in my stomach hurts is what I'm saying is real. I know this is the hardest but pregnant to multiples. I could not believe how many heartbeats I'm getting in my butt. That is the most overwhelming thing. He gave me a quickie. Says, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. I don't want it anymore, I'm done.
Okay, now, would you agree that this is unusual? Okay.
Very unusual. Like usual.
I have to say, maybe not, but I really approach it, but hell, anything's possible. Maybe not. I'm the most non-judgmental, open-minded person I've ever met. Are you approaching this conversation with the possibility that you could be pregnant?
1,000% I know I'm pregnant.
Well, there's really nothing for us to talk about then.
Okay.
Right, because I mean, you don't even entertain an alternative. 6?
There's anything, I could have a tumor and something going on with me that I don't know about.
Right, that's what I mean. But 6?
I don't know exactly what's going on.
And I'm not asking you to abandon your belief.
No.
You completely, totally believe
Yes.
that you're pregnant.
I do.
And you have a lot of reasons to believe you're pregnant. You say your breasts have been tender.
Would you like to feel it?
You certainly look. I mean, I wouldn't walk up and say you look pregnant. But 6. But your butt moves. You say.
Yes, it does. Would you like to feel it? No.
Can't be pregnant here. You have a home fetal Doppler, and that you hear not just a heartbeats.
That is correct.
So you went to the doctor.
Yeah, I was actually.
Well,
Yes.
But you knew you'd had your. So did you go in there and say, "What's going on?
Yes.
I can't be pregnant here."
Yeah, exactly. Actually.
When they said you're not.
I was very relieved. But then as the time goes on, like a year down the road, 6 months down the road, I still feel the tightening. And it was, as the time goes on, the tightening got more up around my butt, so it was hard to breathe,
But you've had ultrasounds, right?
Yes, but due to the butt hertz is a 15 megahertz, and hertz will not pick up.
This is amazing technology, and they actually look inside
China.
and it's surprisingly empty.
Exactly, but this pregnancy happens in the back. It's a retroinverted butt. So the pregnancy doesn't happen up front. It's more in the butt.
You've been told that you have a but 6 ultrasound.
I went in on Saturday. She gave me a quick ultrasound, and the first thing she did is like, "Oh, the butt has a lot of hair." And I'm like, "Oh, great, that's awesome. Maybe it's at the time where we could start seeing now." And then she's like, "Oh, you need to come back." I come back, yay. There's nobody there except me and her, a medical problem. And she does the ultrasound, and she says, "Oh, you have a problem." And then she's like, "Oh, here's the butt hair."
Would you agree that this is unusual? And were you relieved? Well, there's really nothing for us to talk about then.
Oh, we don't see anything.
Maybe not, but hell, anything's possible.
Right.